Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how to edit text in TinkerCAD. So let's get started. First of all, what you'll need to do is use your text tool right here and put it somewhere. And to edit the text, you can use right here in the properties. If you don't see this, just click drop down menu and you'll be able to rename your text like that. So let's say like this video. Or if you want to actually edit text on the figure, you can click it, but if this doesn't click, what you can do is basically put another figure on top of that just to make text disappear like that. Okay, now just union group that, and basically right here you'll be able to put text on top of that and basically rename that and just use union group also. So let's do that. Okay, union group. And now you get an idea how you can just edit the text in TinkerCAD. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.